No, AI is not going to take your job. But if you're not using it to make your job easier, someone else who is might look better in front of your boss, and they might take your job. That's why in this video, I'm gonna give you 10 Claude skills for B2B influencer marketing for free and show you exactly how to install and use them. Okay, if you're not familiar with Claude Skills, they are basically plain text instruction files that turns Claude into a specialist in one specific task. So you install it once, which takes like 10 seconds, and Claude just knows when to use it. And the process is pretty simple. On Claude, just open Settings, Skills, Add, and then upload the skill that you want. I'm about to give you 10 of those for free, but first, let me show you how to use one. Let's say you're planning your first influencer campaign. You have a budget, a launch day, but not really any idea of where to start. The first influencer campaign planner skill is perfect if you're in this situation. I'm just gonna type, plan my first influencer campaign, B2B SaaS, 5K budget, launching next month, and let Claude do its magic. And as you can see, Claude just made a full plan. It gives you a timeline, tells you how to split the budget, who to reach out to, and even how you're supposed to measure whether it worked. Now tell me, how long would it take for you to build this manually? Thanks to this skill, I guess we'll never know. Now let's say I found a creator that I like. The next problem is, what do I even say to them? Nobody wants to sound like a robot sliding in someone else's DM. And that's exactly where the human influencer outreach skill comes in. All you gotta do is paste the creator's profile or one of their recent posts and ask Claude to write the first DM. And the result is not gonna read like a templated DM, a message that you wrote once and send to everyone at the same time. It will reference what the creator actually talks about in their content, so it's gonna be personalized. And a first DM that feels personal can't be the difference between a message that gets ignored and one that gets a reply. That's just 2 out of the 10 free skills that I left on the link below for you to download. There's also ones for vetting creators before you spend your budget, negotiating rates so you don't overpay, writing full partnership briefs, and turning your results into reports that your boss will finally be able to understand. All 10 skills for free, they take about a minute to install and will completely change the way you work, I promise you. But these skills give you the method. If you want the actual data behind them, millions of creator profiles, authenticity scores, and audience insight, you should try Favikon, your influencer marketing platform for all things. Click the link below to test it for free or book a demo. Try it all out and later come back to the comments to tell me which skill was the most useful for you. I'll see you in the next one.